Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to pin or unpin chats on Gemini AI. Now let's begin. Initially, on any browser of your choice, go to gemini.google.com and simply hit enter. Well, as you can see, I have already logged in to my account, but if you have not logged in, do log in right now. Once you have logged in and are redirected to the home page, let's focus on the left nav bar. In the left nav bar, you will find something like recents, and below recents, there are lots of chats that you have done with Gemini AI. If you have lots of chats, simply click on Show More, and it will show all the chats you had with Gemini AI. Well, for instance, this chat is very important to me. Let's simply hover over this chat, and at the rightmost section of this chat, you will find those three dots. Let's click on it. From here, you can pin your chat, rename or delete it as well. For now, we are only focused on how to pin our chats, so let's click on this pin button. You can add an emoji as well if you wish. You simply need to click on this plus button. There are lots of emojis here. You can choose anything you wish. I'm going to choose this one. You can also rename it. And if everything is okay, you can simply click on this pin button. Else, you can cancel it right now. For now, I'm going to pin it, so let's click on this pin button. And now if you look at the Recents tab, you can see that our chat has been successfully renamed and pinned. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you pin your chats on Gemini AI. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.